In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of signing up for Punditas AI directly within PTC Creo, so you can start leveraging AI-driven insights to enhance your design experience. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step process to sign up for Punditas AI within Creo. Open PTC Creo and select the Punditas tab in the embedded browser. Click on the Trial Sign Up button available on top. Sign up with your name, email, and password. Activation or partner codes are not required for free accounts. Click Sign Up to complete. Check the inbox of the email address provided. Click on the Activate Account. Thank you for registering with Punditas. Your token has been successfully authenticated. Click the Login button above to access the site. Start accessing trial version of Punditas AI from today. For more information, email us at contact@punditas.com.